Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Allah's Dollar training and coaching program, and we ask Allah to bless our efforts. This is our new training e-commerce system. So in this training, we are going to teach you how to do e-commerce, how to sell products online. If you are the one who is doing this kind of business before, but you don't know how to make massive sales, like selling 10, 20, 30, 40 products in a day, this training is for you. So if you are the one who is looking to start this kind of business, this training is for you. So if you are the one who is looking to invest also, this is the best business you can invest into. So I'm going to show you everything, and I'm not going to hold any information whatsoever back, and I'm not ready to sell you anything, maybe any course or something. I'm going to teach you everything for free, inshallah. And the best thing you can do for yourself is to watch this training 2, 3 or 4 times so that you understand everything. And also, we are providing the community. If you go to the description of this video or halal.ng/community, you are going to join our WhatsApp group where we are going to be providing insight, and some of the things we cannot easily share on YouTube, we are going to be sharing it there. So kindly join our WhatsApp group, halal.ng/community. You are going to see the link in the description of this video. So join the group. We are going to be providing support for you also, inshallah. We ask Allah to bless our efforts. I want to tell you the difference between mini importation and e-commerce. When I say mini importation, I mean the people who are just doing importation business, who are just importing things, who are not into e-commerce the right way. So you see a lot of them, they import random products, bags, shoes, just any products. They import any random products. As for e-commerce, we only import hot selling products that are selling massively on the internet. That's what we import in e-commerce. The second thing is that a lot of these people who are doing mini importation, who are not trained for e-commerce, they will import product that needs variations. Maybe they want to sell bags, they will buy blue, black, red, different colors, or shoes, they buy different colors, different sizes. All this kind of importation is not what we do in e-commerce, because that is going to ruin your business. It's not going to make you massive money. It's not going to make you to grow fast when you are selling product that has to do with variation. No, as for e-commerce, we only sell products that has just 1 or 2 variation maximum, 1 or 2. In fact, most of the time we sell a product that has what, just 1 single variation, and we double down on it. So number 3 is that a lot of these people who are doing mini importation, they have poor marketing strategies. They don't know how to sell the right way on the internet. As for us that we are doing e-commerce, we have super effective marketing strategies to sell our products and make massive sales in just few days. Also, the people who are doing mini importation, they make poor sales. That's why you see a lot of them, they are always posting to Instagram, posting to WhatsApp status. They can have maybe 20, 30 posts in their WhatsApp status just because they want to sell their shoes, they want to sell their bags, they want to sell all these wares that they sell. They'll be making like 2, 3, 4, 5 sales in a day. So that's not how to sell the right way. So if you want to do e-commerce, there's a way to do it and make massive sales. And another thing is that these people, they have small profit margins. Maybe they are gaining 2,000 or 3,000 on one product. No, that's not what we do in e-commerce. When I sell a product, I'm making 10,000 profits. What goes to my bank account as profit is 10,000 naira on just one single product. Imagine if I should sell 100 of that. So I have 1 million. If I should sell maybe 200, I have 2 million naira. And I can sell 200, 300 in one single month. So depending on how you want to do your business. And I'm going to be explaining that later, inshallah. Another thing is that the way they do their mini importation, they import and sell their thing, is very stressful and frustrating. But for e-commerce, it's very easy and fulfilling. Very easy and fulfilling. May Allah assist us. The cons of e-commerce is that you actually require large fund to start, maybe 500,000 naira and above. But in this training that you are watching, in this series of Halal e-commerce system, I'm going to teach you how to start e-commerce with 50,000 naira, and you are going to make a lot of money with it. Imagine you are starting a business with 50,000 naira and you're also making 50,000 naira for start. Later, it jumps to like 100,000 naira. Later, to 200,000 naira. Follow the series, subscribe to the channel, and join our Halal community. The next thing is that it requires little technology. So if you want to do e-commerce, it requires little technology, like building your website, running Facebook ad, all those things. But in this training you are watching also, I've also covered that for you. I'm going to give you a done for you that is ready. Then everything that is ready, I'm going to give you. So you're not going to do a lot of any techie something that's going to disturb you, or you're going to be worried. Even if you have just only your phone, this is going to work for you. And you'll be ever grateful for joining this particular training. So the e-commerce system, what does it involve? It involves product research. You are going to do product research to choose the right product. And I'm going to tell you how to do this the sharpest way. Do you understand? Not the traditional way that people teach you product research. You go and search YouTube now and be all Google for product research. They start to tell you a lot of jargons. But here, I'm going to teach you the right thing to know to get started faster. So also, I'm going to teach you how to do product testing. You are going to test the product to know if the product is going to sell. And most times, the product we choose is going to sell. But we are just going a step further to prove that the product is going to sell. So I'm going to teach you product testing too. Also, we are going to do the importation. We are going to buy the product and import the product. Also, sometimes we are going to source the product locally. And I'm going to teach you all this, inshallah. And we are going to run the ad, the advertisement. I'm going to do this for you too. I'm going to show you all the edicts that people face when they are running Facebook ad. I'm going to take everything away from you. You are not going to have to do anything that is disturbing. Just follow the training, inshallah. So, and the last one here is I'm going to teach you how to deliver your product without edicts. How to deliver your product to anywhere in Nigeria, even when you are living in Ibadan or Kano or Akure or anywhere in Nigeria you are living. I'm going to show you how to deliver your product to also anywhere in Nigeria easily, inshallah. My advice for you is that you should be sincere and you should be hardworking. Also, I need you to have positivity. That is, you should have intention that this thing is going to work for you. Don't say, okay, I've tried so many, I've watched so many courses. This one too, let me just look at if it's going to work. This is going to work, it's working. Every day we make millions in selling product online. So it's going to work for you too, and I'm going to teach you how to work. And this training you are watching, I'm not going to make it to be very long. So if in 2 weeks or less, you are going to complete the training and you're going to get started, you are going to start making your money, inshallah. Also, be instruction abiding. Don't use anything you have learned anywhere to come and disrupt what you are learning here. I would like you to unlearn. If you have something that you have already learned in somewhere else and those things are working for you, just continue with those things. In fact, you don't have to watch this particular training. But if what you have learned somewhere else is not working and you need something that is working, then you have to unlearn all those and try to concentrate on this. So that's that. So, and I want you to have abundance mindset. Don't think that Allah is teaching us e-commerce now. Everybody will be doing e-commerce. Imagine if 1,000 people join this program. Imagine if 1 million people join this program. Everything is going to they are going to bastardize it and it's not going to be working again because everybody is doing e-commerce now. No, that doesn't work like that. I'm just in one town in Lagos. This town I am, do you know the number of markets there? Each of the market, do you know the number of people who are selling there? And people are buying. Now, you are not selling to just one market in a town. You are selling to the whole of Nigeria. Do you know the number of people in Nigeria? So you should have abundance mindset. Don't think that, okay, this thing is not going to work. Or if 1,000 people or 2,000 people or 1 million people are doing it, it's not going to work again. It's a lie. Do you know the number of people who are doing e-commerce? Do you know the number of people have already trained? So you should have abundance mindset. Don't say, okay, I'm going to hide this from people. Share it with your family and friends. Let them join you so that you can cooperate together. You can do things together. Share this training. Invite people. And the last thing there is that you should be prayerful. I want you to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to join our community, the WhatsApp group where we assist people and share insight and meaningful information, go to halaldollars.ng/community. And the link is also in the description of this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.